Hi, in front of me I have Motorola One Macro, and I'm gonna show you how to take a screenshot on this device. Let's go to the screen we want to capture first. For example, let's open the Chrome browser. And now to take a screenshot, we can press and hold the power button and volume down button together. When this menu appears, that means we took the screenshot. And now we can take a scroll shot, for example. We can crop it, basically only take the part of the screen if you want. We can also edit it by pressing the edit icon, and here we can draw on it with different tools. We can also share it right here. And to take a scroll shot, you just tap right here. And what it does, basically, if you have something like Google Page, that it takes more space than what you have on screen, and something is below your screen, it will scroll through the screen and just take the screenshot of the whole thing. So just tap on it. Didn't work, so let's just discard this. Open the Chrome again, take a screenshot. Tap on the scroll shot. Oh, as you could see, it started scrolling, but there is not much to it. So let's try again. Discard this. Here tap on more to open more information, even more. So it can. Okay, so no more suggestions. Now let's take the screenshot. Oh. And tap on the scroll button. As you can see, it started scrolling. You can tap on stop to stop it whenever you want, or you can just let it finish. And now it took the screenshot of the whole Google page like that. And finally, after you're done editing your screenshot, just tap save to save it. And you can open it in Photos app. Where is it? Here. We have a screenshots. And here we have our screenshots. Okay. You can also take the screenshot another way. To do it, just press and hold the power button. And this menu appears, and here we have screenshot option. Just tap on it. This menu again will appear. And like I said before, you can do these things on the bottom, or you can just tap save to save it. Like that. And here we have our screenshot. And that's how you take a screenshot on this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.